Hi, I'm Igor, and today I will tell you about Russian cases. I can tell you that 10% of my students don't want to learn it. But for us, it's like the second alphabet. If you want to travel to Russia, be sure that you speak correct. First of all, why do we need these cases at all? Russian cases show us what endings we should add in every particular situation. For example, in English, the sentence is like to the cat, above the cat, I saw the cat, under the cat. We don't change the word cat. But in Russian, we all the time change the endings of the nouns. So, to the cat in Russian would be коту. Above the cat, коте. I saw the cat, кота. Under the cat, котом. That's why Russian is difficult. Because you should all the time think about these endings. And if you want to understand what endings you should add, at first, you have to learn how to indicate these cases. Today, I'll explain you nominative case. Nominative case is the basic word in Russian. If you open dictionaries, you'll find all the words in nominative case. If you want to change the words, you should exactly know this case. Yeah? In sentences, nominative case is the subject of the sentence. So it's the main part in the sentence. Sometimes it's not really clear what is the subject of the sentence. That's why I give you some little hints. First of all, nominative case all the time stands before the verb, before the action. Yeah, so the dog saw the owner. The action here is so. Yeah, so before the action, we use all the time nominative case. So the dog would be in nominative case. The daughter painted the car. Verb here is painted. Yeah, so before this verb, before this action, we use nominative case. So the daughter is in nominative case. The fishes are eating the food. Are eating, here is the verb. Yeah, so before this verb, before this action, we use nominative case. So fishes are in nominative case. So nominative case all the time stands before the verb, before the action. Secondly, in 99% of the sentences, nominative case is the first word in the sentence. So, the dog, the daughter, the fishes. Yeah? It's really simple, so let's go to the third hint. We never have prepositions before the nominative case. If you are not sure what is the preposition, I'll add the link in comments. Yeah, so let me recap. Nominative case is before the verb, before the action. It's the first word in the sentences, and it doesn't have any prepositions before. Yeah? Remember about these hints, and you will be able to indicate this nominative case. In the next episodes, I will tell you about the rest of the cases. Follow me for new Russian lessons and don't miss the other cases. Пока-пока.